is Tori, and I'm here to show you my Stitch Fix try on. That's always a tongue twister with me. And the first one I have, I know you can't see it very well just because I haven't figured out how to make my camera show it the best. But it is a long maxi dress. If you have not watched my other video, the opening video, it will be on my channel. It is on my channel. Go check it out. I would love for you to subscribe, so that would make me so happy. Thank you. And yeah, so let's just show this. If you watched that video, I had said that what would probably bother me about this dress is if it went too low. It goes to about, if you can see, it goes to about right here, which I'm not, like, I feel like myself pulling it, and I also feel, I don't know. But it is a beautiful dress. It is a beautiful color. Honestly, this would make a beautiful Easter dress, or even like if you're going to a spring or summer wedding, this would be, or, you know, because here in the South, a lot of people do outdoor weddings, and this would just be perfect for that. I don't know anybody getting married, but that's just what popped in my head when I saw it'd be perfect for a wedding. I love the length of it. It's like the most perfect length for me, which is kind of great. It's like not too long and not too short, you know, like if you're any taller, I'm 5'5"-ish, a little bit over that, not 5'6" yet, but so yeah, so if you were any taller, this would be short on you. Yeah. I don't know, I just thought I'd say that, but I love it. The back, the straps are really cute. It's super soft. Oh my gosh, this dress is so soft. I'm telling you guys, it is just like so comfy. So the only thing that's putting me off on this is I'm not one to spend a huge amount of money. Now on dresses, I do know they cost more. I think this was $78, but I don't know, with this being like this and me not being the biggest fan of that, I know I could put a necklace here and it probably wouldn't bother me as bad. This one's a maybe for me. Comment down below and tell me what you think of this. I know you can't see it the best in the world with the way I've got it filmed, but let's see if I can jump and show y'all. I don't know. Yeah, but I think it's so pretty. Like I said, it's the perfect length. It goes straight down, just brushes over my toes to the point where if I wore heels or whatever, it would look great. If you're any taller than that, I don't know if this dress would be for you, or you may, I don't think the length increases by size, but anyway, I'm going to show y'all the next ones, but this one to me is a maybe. Okay, so here is the next top. This is, if you, like I said, if you watched my video before, you'll know why I don't like this. I live in Alabama. Anything with elephants on it, if you can see, this has a lot of elephant detail. Anything with elephants on it, quite honestly, people around here think it's automatically Alabama. My husband's an Auburn fan, so this just doesn't work for me. And I'm not crazy about it either. I don't like how this kind of does. See how that kind of hangs and it doesn't want to stay. If you can see, it doesn't want to stay all the way. So, yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of this. But I love it's a pretty print though, to be honest. It really is a pretty print. Let me know what y'all think, but this is just not for me just because I don't like how the sleeves are doing on me. I feel like I'm gonna fly away. But that and coupled with the Alabama-esque, I know it don't really look that way, but yeah. So on to the next. Oh my gosh, look at how nice this top is, guys. Look at this. I think this is so pretty. I love this color. I love the colors in this. I think it's just so great. I don't know if you can see. I do have on a tank top under it. Hold on. Right there, because the sleeves, the straps do like this. I don't know what you wear with a shirt like this, but I really like the shirt. I want to keep it. I think it's so pretty. But tell me, would you leave it with the tank? Because it don't really show, like when my hair's like this, it don't show. Would you wear it with the tank? Would you wear it with a strapless bra? What would you do to wear this shirt? Because I really would like to know, because I don't like the tank showing, but I really like this shirt. What do y'all think? Does it look good? Am I crazy? I don't know. I like it. Comment down below and tell me, please, because I really like this. Comment down below and tell me what kind of bra would you wear with this? And tell me. Yeah, so let me show y'all the next one. On the last two, I just slipped the cardigan over this. So this is the cardigan. It's very soft and very pretty. I just have a blue cardigan like this already. If you saw my unboxing, I mean, I just have one. It looks exactly like this. It's by J. Crew. So there's no sense in me getting this one when I have the other one. So I'll show y'all the top underneath, which I think I am keeping. Tell me what y'all think. It is just like a crisscross right here. And it's just a simple t-shirt, but I think it's so cute, and it kind of comes down lower in the back, if you can tell. I really like this one, so tell me what y'all think. So soft, be easy. Like, I love shirts like this to just run and go get my girls from their activities and run errands, grocery shopping. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so these shirts like this are totally more practical for me. But let me know what y'all think. And yeah, so until next time, please hit that subscribe button and I will appreciate it. Until next time, bye everyone.